Hello, ma'am. My name is Mahad, and I'm going to be demoing the project one. So in this group, we are Janelle's with us, me, and then Nirmal also. So we have this first page where it talks about how to set up a service desk center, and then we have the job description of different type of people who are working. So basically, if you take finance manager, we're gonna have these information. So let's talk about desk manager. We have the information about what the description is, the job description, and then we have the education requirements, we have the salary, we have skills and duties. So basically, we have all these things for different job titles that people have. And then moving on to the next part, we have a diagram that shows us the service desk organization chart basically. And then we have some information about that. Now moving on to the next part, we have the service desk selection chart. Basically, we're comparing two software. So the first one is HESC, the next one is Heat. And what this basically is talking about is what is the differences that we're going to get in a paid versus a free software. So HESC is free, Heat is paid. And what are their hardware requirements, software requirements, cost, licensing information, features, advantages, disadvantages, all those things in it. And then moving on to the first part is where we have to set up a WAMP. And as you can see in the screenshot that we have that set up. In the next screenshot, you can see that all local services are running, which means you can see that WAMP sign logo right there. And all the HESC services are running after installing, obviously. And then we move on to the PHP screenshot where we had to take a screenshot of the PHP admin. Yeah, this is the screenshot for it. So basically, when you log in, you're going to be prompted with this screen. And what this means is that you can create a database for database and name it HESC. So basically create a database for HESC. And then in the next file, you can see that here we're talking about renaming the install folder to _install. Otherwise, if you don't do that, it's not going to install. And in this screenshot, we're talking about the different utilities that we have that we can use in order to make a database, create a database, and then we can use that later on to create a ticket. And then there was the optional thing for web hosting. We also did this. So we linked our website. And then as you can see, Services setup, the profile, you can see that it's Nirmal's profile right here. He's the admin. And then we are the users, you can say. So he has all these informations here. So we have one administrator, then we have 4 staff members, and the staff members are obviously me, Janelle, and then 2 random people. You can see that in this screenshot, they're different. We have given like many types of permissions. So what member is allowed to do what? So it's all different for each of the staff or the staff members of what permissions are given to them. They're both they're all different. And then settings option, this is just general settings from email to like what language you want and database host name, all that. And then this is the settings page for help desk, and then the knowledge page, which is basically talking about like things like if you want to enable certain things or disable some things, you know. And then the ticket list is when we're creating a ticket, so what things we want included in it. As you can see, we have a lot of them ticked, basically almost all of them. And basically we're creating tickets for different people, and the categories are here, like which ones are the highest one, which one's the lowest one. So categories like highest help required. So as you can see, audio issue, it says medium because it's not that high. And then system hijacked is high because obviously it's a huge problem, so that's prioritized as high. And then these are the banned emails, and these are the banned IPs, and then these are the email templates from the HESC that we did. And then service messages, existing service messages. So if some things have been done, replied to, you know, which ones are done, which ones are not done, which ones are pending. And that's about it for this project. Thank you very much.